All right, let's see if the stream's all working nicely. Boom. Mm, 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 The stream's all working nicely. There we go. Yo, I'm back again. London session. Boom. I'm gonna just get right to it, bro. Let me just see what price is doing. You can see my screen all nicely. Yes, you can. All right. The stream's all working nicely. Oh yeah, I forgot you could hear myself there. Hello. So I'm gonna do a quick top down. I think this is the previous day low here. Let me see. It is indeed. So you have two targets here. So we're currently within the previous day range. If we do end up taking this high, we have this whole area up here. Let's see. So nope. So okay, I'll be looking around this orange up there. But let's see what I'll go on there. Let me just lock that in place. As for so we are currently now 1, 2, 3. We're moving within the third swing. We could see another push down, creating our fourth swing, and then probably see a reversal from there. So when we see this low taken, in the event that it does, I'll start trailing my highs in anticipation to see that protected high get taken. But as of right now, we don't have anything telling us that we're going bullish just yet. We're just retracing inside this zone. We got body closure. Okay, on a lower time frame, but this ain't no pullback just yet. The pullback would be above this high. So let's go down. The fuck? Oh, let me just get rid of this. I can't move you away. All right. Like, are you gonna? Thank you. Right. Um. Responsible. Origin. Responsible. Zone the top of the range. So if anything, want to see this will get taken out. Tap into here, and you'll probably see some fruit there. Let me zoom in a bit, get this more accurate. So yeah, these were the zones I was trailing in Asia. Get rid of them. I'll extend this one too. So we have two regions at the bottom of the range, but we know that we're in a downtrend as well, right? So yeah, we could see some bounces here, but ultimately it's we're looking for this low to be taken. That's um, the move of the highest probability. But until it gets there, we'll see what going. Cool. So if you're looking for a short, even this area, it's not even somewhere you would short at all. Where would it be? Well, at the 50% of this zone here. So I'd at least want to see these highs taken here. But at the same time, in context of the higher time frame range, this wasn't responsible for shit. That wasn't responsible for shit. This was responsible for the break. But when it comes to what narrative is telling us, it's just that, uh, I mean, yeah, I did say we could get a fourth push down, but regardless, I wouldn't use this zone here. Who knows, we could look above or some shit, but, we'll just, I'll keep these here. And we'll just go on to the 1 minute. Let's see what the 1 minute, what's the 1 minute doing? We have, so of course, price is currently going up. We've been going up since, okay, all of Asia trending up. You see London volatility at 8 o'clock. So check it. We have S&D responsible right here. We got origin of the move right here. We have toilet paper people there. Okay, let's zoom in. Let's get more accurate with it. So, okay, cool. S&D, we have, oh shit, that really is a wick. So, wow, on a lower time frame. So, oh, okay. So this is something that Dave teaches. Basically, understanding. So basically, you see the higher time frame, you usually see a wick here. So a way to identify this wick, Dave calls it the up down candle or down up candle. So to identify a wick zone here, shit, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just that I do see it a lot, but dun. Anyway, just look out for it for yourself, innit? Just map out wicks on a higher time frame that left unmitigated, right? And see what they look like on a lower time frame. That's all you gotta do. But let's continue on. Did we get a pullback? We could get a potential run on these also. We got a body closure below this candle here. Well, that's a bit too far. I first need to see this low get run before even getting this one. But we know that price is just trending up after what? Tapping back into the range. So yeah, this high could still be we have this higher time frame zone here, about 5 second zone rather, responsible for the break. If we want to get more accurate, there we go. Pardon me, we have this S&D responsible here. What do we have also? We got 1, 2. You can see a third push up, come back down. Usually trade away from a higher time frame high, right? I'll mark this out. Let me grab do we get a closure? No, alright, cool. We'll grab where from? Hold on. Boom, 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 fail, close. Okay, cool. The top of the range that was made right here. And we got the bottom of the range right here. Did I lock this in place? No, I should have. Okay, cool. Nice. Nice. And I'll just map out the higher time frame zone here. Okay, I'm gonna do this in a different color. Okay, so let's see. So that's the 1 minute. Let me So if I was to look for longs, which if I was to look for shorts, then it would be below this low here. Yeah, yeah, that's okay, cool. Yeah, all right, be above there. Mm, let's see what the 5 second is saying. So yeah, perfect. Tap into that and be responsible. So between this high and this low is the high time frame range. Just provided a move back up. Do we close? I think we just did. Yeah, we did close above. So we just create. Let me see how many swings are we on. We got 1, 2, 3. So usually, well, I won't even say nothing. We just count our swings, right? Remember that price just to do its thing. So we have this S&D at the top of the range, which usually gets liquidated. Look for U right here. Look at that. I look for a move up from this origin. Not only that, that's near the 50% of the zone. So I'll just look for like a 1-to-1 there. Right there. Just follow price. Follow price. That's what we do. Did we get a closure up there in 1 minute? No closure, so we got equal highs. Currently making this low vulnerable as well as this low right here. So as you can see, we violated the S&D responsible here, and we had to tap back into the S&D responsible for liquidating the other one. So price tap back into that. Boom. Let's go on in 1 second real quick. Oh shit. There we go. I'm gonna save my workspace just from that. Hold on. I'm looking at my live account. There we go. All right. So we tap the 50% origin move. This is the down candle here. So in the event that we do get a deeper mitigation, you can see a move here, but just note that yes, we are already within the whole swing, the original downswing that sent price up on the 5 second. Right there. Right, where did we come from? I don't have this. I don't have my chart like this. That's a better. Maybe like that. Alright, so What was this? What was this zone again? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, responsible for this. I think that one-to-one delivered already, right? Yeah, look, see? The 50%, the origin of the move, yeah. Let's see if we get a body closure. We violated this thing. So new order flow, just remove a bunch of shit. Currently at the top of the range. I think this is our fifth swing, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, okay, fourth swing. So this is where you would anticipate price to reverse. Say we're most likely to take out this high first and then drop back into the range. And then make it like some equal highs. Probably wait, hold on, some shit like this. Drop back into the range, get stuck, and then violate this low here, and then some shit, I don't know. Unless we have a much larger objective, alright, it depends how many swings we are on a high time frame. Okay, cool, I'm gonna count that real quick. It's easier for me to see it on here. We got 1, 2, that. 1, 2, 5. Let me not watch that. Boom, so boom, 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 boom. Alright, cool. So let me verify that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. So this is our fourth swing. We can anticipate a reversal here. Um, I'll just. Okay, cool. We have this, this, this. Let's but I don't think that we're ready just yet. I'd say we get a couple swings up. Boom, 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 boom. Why the fuck do I have? Oh yeah, target. Okay, cool. I'd say we get a rejection there, but well, I'll just look to see what price does. Okay, we drop back into the range. We are currently at the origin. Check the 1 second. We got 1, 2. So on a pullback, you usually see 2 to 3 swings and then a reversal. So watch out for that. But the S&D responsible right here, which we just violate. I want to see a body closure. So if we don't get a body closure below this, then this means that this S&D responsible is still valid. Even though it may work, it's still at the top of the range. So I would still not be using the zone. We've got that low and this high. Oh shit, where was the break? Yeah, it was there. So you have the origin here. Okay, cool, we got a body closure. So now we're looking for a bounce here. Back into, well, back into whatever. And then eventually raid these lows. So some shit like this, come we just follow price. So we tap into the 50% of the zone and see a shift up. We currently got equal highs here with currently on our 1, 2, 3, 4 on our fourth swing. So in this scenario here, I'm looking for price to get stuck. So rather than us taking this high, it was just basically this right here, and then us to get stuck and to move lower. Let's see what happens. So right now, this high is vulnerable. We have a failure to close, so we can see us trade. If we trade above this high here, then we could potentially take out this high. Okay. Got that pullback here. So when we trade near a high time frame high, you usually see a pullback, right? At what? As soon as you see a body closure below the bullish candle. So still, we want to see something. We got basically 1, 2 swings. Price is coming all the way down here. So what is it essentially making? Price getting stuck at this level. Now we've got equal highs on a lower time frame, meaning that inside high is vulnerable. This one's vulnerable. But let's not jump to conclusions. Let's just see what price does. Yo, if Ninja Trader had a tool for like actual drawing, like you can on TradingView, oh lord, you'd be seeing way more shit here. But you know, Ninja isn't made for it's not made for charting. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna remove all these arrows here. They're not really important. But you get the gist of what my analysis is. So I would not even be using this. Whoops. Ultimately, I'm looking for this low to be taken where we can see a bounce from head off. Unless, you know, price delivers another narrative, and what would that be? Get a body closure above this high. So we've got the harmonic pattern playing out. So when you see this type of shit, you know there will be a breakout in either side, and your business is above or below that. Keep in mind though, I'm tape reading right now, but any longs that I say that I would enter is literally just me training my eye to an entry. Of course, they may know that we're at the top of the range. right? If I'm going to engage in any longs, well, with the current narrative right now, it would be below these lows here. And in this S&P responsible for this origin. And not only that, I stop engaging in longs when I see that we're currently in our fourth to sixth swing. So this is our 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's really helpful to keep this on the chart because you see every time every time I'm explaining, like I'm pretty sure I said it all the time. I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting what price is actually doing. That's why I appreciate the fact that they've encouraged us to keep your stuff in the chart. Because bro, you're processing so much information that it's this that yeah, if you don't keep track of your thoughts, then you will eventually lose yourself. So okay, cool. You see the breakout here, and then let's see if we get a trade back into this responsible area, and we do. Right, we get a body closure above here too. On 1 minute, it's showing as a wick. We let it close though. See what decision has been made. So that's both highs we failed to close. So let's see. Boom, boom. So we have this whole trend line liquidity being formed here. So we can see a potential run of this. You can see a bounce here at the origin of the move. Tap back in the range. Because of the higher time frame narrative here, I'll be looking for that low to be taken. Probably see a little bounce here too. But this whole idea changes once we get body closure in the 1 minute here. Which it seems like gonna be the case. We did get another body closure out there. So let me see, there's 10 seconds left to go. All right, that's nice. So that's basically the whole run through on this specific type of order flow here. And now we're in a new environment. So let's go. Oh shit, I should have anyway, because yeah, so we have some unmitigated areas here. I'm gonna remove this and I'm actually gonna lock them in place this time. So we have this right here. I'll just pay attention to you. I won't do too much. I'll lock that in place. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm for you to get taken out. Turn. More specifically, you. Just want to know what's going on here. We have this low here. We have the but Am I speaking too soon? We have, yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, yo. Like, I'm gonna just wait, because I did just erase all my shit again. And we got one, two, ooh, three, four, we got five. I did say we could go a bit further up into this region up here. You can say this is the, hold on, fume, 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 wait, boom, 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 mm, mm, mm. All right. So we got that, and then that. Okay, so this is S&D responsible. All right, cool. Yeah, we can see a little movement inside here. Since this is a large zone, boom, 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 boom. I still want to see the 50% of it get tapped. We're trending up on the 5 second. Let's go on the 1 and then let's observe. In fact, let me just step back a bit. Hold on. So after this body closure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't even think I was counting the right time frames. Let me chill. Either way, the easier way to look at this is just to use your body closure here. Right, yeah, I'd be counting swings. So the swings within here on a 1 second. And it gives me a 5 second move. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. Do you see a reversal? Oh, okay, this is the higher time frame swing here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, cool. So yeah, we took out the low. Go back on 5 second. Got the zone at the top of the range. This may be an opportunity. Boom, 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 boom. At the top of the range. So now we have a above and below. But we got a failure to close, so this high is vulnerable here. And take that out. Oh shit. We got 15 seconds. Oh, we'll wait. I know. I didn't even go live. Shit. That's my bad. That was rude still. But look, check it. Yo, I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, but did we get it? Did we? Yes, we did indeed. So now we're officially in the pullback on a 1 minute. And then this becomes the top of the range on a 1 minute. Hold on, that means what? Ah, yeah, cool, bottom of the range. All right. So, week low, week high, range. We have this supply holding it, this demand holding it. For how long it will last, I don't know, but it's there. So yeah, I may as well just mark out the. So this is the origin of the move here, and then the origin of the move up here. See a double bottom. Please also see the target taken. Possibilities are endless. But yeah, man, I'm really just looking for lower prices. Yeah, I'm not really trying to buy up all up in here. So you see the narrative fill out, equal lows, take out both highs, not both highs, but the inside high and the anyway, yeah, both highs still. Yeah. And this high here. We got a wick though on the 1 second, so that's significant. Alright, if we get a close below there, then we're sweeping these lows. Alright, cool. Let me see what the 5 seconds looking at. Yeah, looking really vulnerable, G. Where can we see a bounce? So, okay, ultimately, I'm looking for these lows to be taken. I mean, that's kind of confusing. I don't need you to be extended that far. Um, how far are we from that? Pretty far. But price it's just been trending up since. Oh, was that Friday? I was meant to say Asia. Yeah. From Asia. Price has just been going on the way up. I'm just gonna map out the origin of the move and remove this 50 here. Since the S&J responsible, that's not even something I'd use. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, yeah, I'd use this one. Lock here in place. Alright, cool. So let's see what we're going. Let's go on in 1 second and observe. So check it. We got one, one, boom, boom, boom. Top that out. this up move still holding. But as we can see though, our lows, they're still intact. Whereas our highs keep failing. So what does that suggest to you? That structure is still bullish. So if you had to be on one side of the market, what would it be? I personally would be on longs. I'm not sure about you. I'm not sure about you, but I would be on the long side until price tells me something different. Because even if I were to look at this invertedly, and I was looking for longs or shorts, I mean, I'd still look for, yeah, I'd still look for this low to be taken and then for a move back into the range. What range? This range. Like that. Because what? No confirmations in the downtrend, right? So likewise, no confirmations in the uptrend. Hmm. Yeah, let me put that there. We got, do we get a close? How many seconds? Got 10 seconds left. If we get a closure above this candle there, then that would be like a promising move. Yeah, now you can see this low get taken to fulfill this narrative up here. But then we also have, yeah, we also got this narrative up here, which is taking out this low and that low responsible for it. So let's see what happens. But we're still in a range, so it really could just be doing this, just be going back and forth here. And like my man teaches, yeah, if you don't know what I'll go on for this, if you don't know what I'll go on here, then it's not an area that you want to trade. Even I don't know what I'll go on here. So what do? You wait for price to either trade above or below. Why? Because there's usually an unmitigated zone just below it or above it. Well, above it would be way to the left, but you don't even need to see that. But below it, you can see that we have this area unmitigated here. I'm pretty sure you can see a bounce here. Boom. We have this higher time frame zone unmitigated. Boom. So, at the very least, if you were to place an actual trade, it would be until this low was swept. Broken inside low. Boom, boom. But really, the only significant low we have is this one here. So it's until we get a body closure below this low that we can see a 1 minute pullback. Am I correct? Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, in between this and this. Hmm. You guys see this? as small as it may be, it's still what? The movement of price. And we come to violate it. But look what occurred first. Let's go on 1 second and look at it deeper. Where was the unmitigated portion of the move? Essentially, it was right below these lows. Price tapped in and moved back into what? Previous range at the 50%. And then what? Gave you your 1-to-1 from the zone. Fulfilling what? The higher time frame narrative. From here, here, boom, 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 boom. As well as this one here, there, 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 there. So we don't get a body closure below this yield just yet though. So let's see what goes. Let's see in fact this is something I'm testing. I just want to see how this works out. Boom. So basically oh no, mistaken. So we got yes. We have you right. So if we're gonna do anything, let's just say we're in the zone, for example, we hit the 50%. I'm looking for this really and truly. So we already had our lows taken. We already we took this motherfucker out. So what does price do from here? Preferably when you see a body closure, no cap. But if we get the body closure above these highs, which we don't just yet, I'm gonna place a little demo. Yeah, I want to test something out. So now it would be here. But if I were to lose this trade, the only reason I'll be left losing is because I'm using this fractal here instead of the higher time frame zone. But what we already know is that we got our first flip on the way for here. But if we get that second flip, I'll just demo trade it and then see how it goes. Perfect. Nice. S&D responsible tap. Nice.
Order filled.
Target already fulfilled still. But look at that. Previous candle high taken. So that was way more than the 1-to-1, right? So that's dope. But I'm looking for 5 points. I want to see if these type of moves, you know, give me that. But you also gotta be aware that you're also within, you know, within another range. So of course you can get some pullbacks here. But ultimately, I want to see you know, that was my target for real. That's why I hadn't closed here. But that's the target for real. Nice.
Order filled.
So what was my idea behind this? So the reason I demoed this, and of course I didn't put it on my live account because it's testing an idea, is so usually on my live account, I would wait for this zone here, this higher time frame zone. Instead, I used a fractal. And what else? And it was the concept of not chasing the first flip, but instead just trailing it. So you see the first flip, cool, trail it. Now, either way, either you're looking for a double bottom, so equal lows, or you want to see it run that flip and then give you a second flip. So essentially, I'm looking for two flips. So that's the idea I've been testing because I mentioned it during Asia session as well. Um, Last week, probably the concept that really made a huge impact on my understanding of price was the concept of toilet paper people, people that chase price. Now, Dave was teaching it on what do you call it? He was teaching it on the 1 minute, the higher time frames. But then I just took it in my mind. I'm like, yo, wait. What if that's a thing for on the 5 second? Of course, it's a thing on the 5 second. Well, this shit fractal, right? So this is me testing that idea of okay, cool. Don't. In fact, I got the whole document here. Let me just show you guys. This is currently what how I trade. Let me show you right here. Check it. So briefly, right? So this is literally just what I do, right? Take a high time frame low, mitigate a high time frame zone, fail to close below the high time frame low, belly the wick, sweep below. And then as you can see, check it. These are question marks, meaning this is what I'm testing. This is just what I like. So basically, if we just forget this, this is literally how I trade. Now, I'm just looking for if this has any validity. Now, true say, I haven't back tested this yet. I literally had this idea yesterday. Prior to that all week, I was just doubling down on the basics, you know. But as you can see, we even had our failure to close below the previous low. So this is exactly this rule here. Fail to close below the previous high time frame low. And this would be the belly of the wick, this trade here. So, all right. That was a good simulation. We'll just continue to trail price. Oh, did I meant to remove that? I mean, fuck it, we're not going to use that zone anyway. Um, so we move back into the range. So now we know where top and bottom of the range. Oh, we've been knew that still. We've been knew that, but it's all the more apparent now, right? Oh, I didn't notice that. Can't lie, I did not notice that. So that's the S&D responsible for. Oh, and did we? Wait, let me not jump to conclusions. Yes, we did. Yes. Yes, we did. I didn't even see that shit there. Oh, wow. So, yeah, I gotta peel my eyes open more. So, though we didn't tap into the 50%, this is still iffy for me because this I'd still consider to be at the top of the range. The S&D responsible at the top of the range. And then, you know, and use the origin or some shit. So that's why I was more time just looking at this zone here, you know. But regardless, this is the S&D responsible, and price did react from it. So that's why, look, check it. I only trade from these two moves here. All right. So what are we doing? Let me go on a 5 second. I said on the five. Yeah, take out this. Okay, cool. Yeah, ain't nothing changed. So ultimately, my next move is below this low. What's this? Oh yeah, the higher time frame zone. What are we doing? Because yeah, I'd be so focused on the second time frame that I don't even be knowing what the fuck going on in here. Like, whoa, what are these arrows for? Oh shit. Oh yeah, we have been trending up. We got one, two, three, 4, 5. All right. So yeah, we could still anticipate a reversal here. But hold on. There's always that but. Oh no, we already had our first break too. Ooh, ooh. Oh shit, wait. If we already had our first break down, wait, did we get did oh look at that, no body closure. Never look at me. I was about to jump to conclusions. So we had this, we had our first break here, boom, boom, traded up, boom. So this is basically one, two. Yeah, we could see a whole new, yeah, this is like a whole reset right here. Starting from here, that's like a whole new reset. So never mind, unless the higher time frame. Let me see. On an even higher time frame. Uh, let's say one, two, three. Yeah. You know what? I can't lie. I just confused myself, hella. So I'm gonna just focus on price right now. That's why I don't really be. Yeah. Like I usually just lock onto the 1 minute candlesticks. Like that's my what you call it? That's my aimbot. You get it? Like, that's just what I lock onto. I know my analysis there. Like that's what I've been back testing actually on you know during the whole of last week. It was just locking onto analyzing 1 minute candlesticks rather than 1 minute structure because 1 minute structure it's still cool and all, but that was the problem I was facing when it came to waiting long for setups because 1 minute candlestick structure is literally 5 second structure zoomed out like this. That's what I learned. So we break out bullish for the poo. Do you see it? So below. We got that and responsible. Fuck it, purple. Why not? Just because it says manipulation, that don't mean it's manipulation. I mean, it is manipulation still, since price manipulation is on, but I guess I'm just trying shit just to try shit. Let me just stop talking and try price. So yeah, you have the protected low here. You got toilet paper people here. So of course it may change. So right now, the way I perceive, look, check it actually. This would be better if I showed you here. So price dumps down. We get our first flip, which is the flip that we don't chase. We observe it, right? Either we get price to come back into this range, or not necessarily come back into the range, but to actually get our pullback, and then, or we could run the low and then see our second flip. Now, running the low and getting our second flip is, so first of all, no, let me just say this. This first flip, that's people that chase, that's toilet paper people. And then the idea is that you want to observe them and run the low, and then you want to see your second flip. Why? Because now you have a target to aim for. So this could either be equal lows. Let me check the 1 minute here. Or it could be run the lows. So yeah, this is just me. I just want to see it happen live. So we run it. Let me. I'm a demo trade this as well, by the way. We run it. I want to see a body closure there, right here. Continue to trail that. It would be nice if the 1 minute candle closed below this low here. If not, that's cool. We got equal lows. Oh, oh, oh. Boom, 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 boom. Potential S&D responsible right there. Oh, look, oh, oh, oh. Let's get back into this zone here.
Order submitted.
Oh, and price did do just that. Nice. So that's literally all my confirmations in place, and then man will just take the trade in it. But yo, it leaves without me. It leaves without me. If you guys don't know why I put the limit there, it's because the S&D responsible for this flip. Stuck behind the zone. Oh, price is teasing. Why are you teasing for? But this is where some of you guys fumble. No lie. And I say that because I know that's where I fumbled. That you would see this price come so close to your zone and then leave without you, that you would be like, oh, nah, I need to still be in a move. See, trading Asia will tell you that no. Trading Asia will tell you no. Price does. Price is accurate with what it's doing. It is accurate. So just chill. If it leaves you, it leaves you. But that is essentially, like, look, oh my days, just check, look at this. So at least, even though I wasn't in the trade, at least I know my idea of where the real move would be. What I tell you the target would be, right there. And look at that. That's a target filled. And that's all from what? Observing the first flip when it comes to your entries. And look at that, we get a major shift out. But I still want to see if we get a nice 5 point reaction because it's still an unmitigated zone. Right? Are you, are you, are you serious? Are you serious?
Order filled.
Stop that. What happens?
Stop filled.
Stop was filled. Okay. So this happens often when price leaves, man. Oh, that's no. That's literally what confirmation is in a downtrend. So I need to develop a rule where if price leaves me, then this zone is no longer valid, especially if it's a counter trend move. It has to be like you see how price came below this low here and just beam and then went off. It has to be that type of movement rather than price essentially. So price can't be retracing down into the zone now. It's got to be a thing where price is, what is that term? So let's just say this. Price can't be trending down into my zone. It has to be trending up. Yeah. So basically in this situation, price can't be trending up into my zone. It has to be trending down into my zone. Ah, shit. But anyway, it's the same concept, the same rule that Dave teaches is what there's no confirmations in the downtrend, right? Because price is still downtrending. Yes, my idea of when to go short was there, but I just didn't get tapped in. So my rule should be not to still hold that position of anticipation. Not position of anticipation, no. That expectation that price will this S&D responsible will still hold because that was just responsible for the flip. What I realize now that was responsible. There was another one responsible here for the 1 second structure here. So that was a nice insight. But I can't lie, inverted charts really does help for me when it comes to looking for shorts. So you see this flip here, and then all you would do is just observe. So that's what toilet paper people. I'm gonna 5 second real quick. Yeah, so look, check it. We're at the top of the range. Let me erase some shit. Um, lock, lock, boom. So top of the range, up here. Pardon me, but this is a mad uptrend, a volatile shit. When I first heard Dave say a super bullish order flow, I just heard the first thing that came to my mind was Super Saiyan. I'm like, oh boy, he said super bullish order. Anyway, so yeah, check it. If I'm on a short, it'll be there. Boom, boom. Wait, did this close? No. And then the next high will be there. And whatever S&D responsible is responsible for breaking that. That would essentially be my entry. Do we get body closure? Yes, indeed. But this high is responsible for it. Hmm. And the target would be this previous candle. Um, Apart from that, you know, um, I'm not even supposed to be placing any entries and shit. So we have this S&D responsible here. I'm gonna remove that. Go away. Like really and truly, I'm like this session is only about trading price. I shouldn't even be like placing in executions, just letting price though. But I just want to see that phenomenon I want price to validate my idea. Uh, but I want to see whether that the idea of trailing my first flip is valid or not. So, if you had taken the first flip here, you would have just been round twice. Or you saw another flip, oh, twice. There you go. You saw that flip there, boom, boom, twice. Where should you have waited? Where should have waited for that? So it's a much more conservative approach to entering in the market, which, you know, it's definitely helpful for me because I can get antsy. I can get like I could be, when I'm not live streaming, right? Usually NTA, it's on my laptop screen here. I'm usually like this. If I see my I'm about to look for my entry confirmation, I'm gonna be like this. Let me see this. Let me see this body closure. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Like man, man's on edge, yo. Oh shit. I'm normally just pulled up, just like yo. Let me just, and I ain't trying to be like that. And I know it's just waiting for, just observing the first flip and then waiting for the second flip to occur. It's a much more relaxing approach, and that's for me that's way more sustainable because I know I don't really um what do you call it? I don't feel that anxiety of getting it right, of because like I can't lie, these entries that happen so quick, so quick. But I'm sure like that type of will help you as well. But that's for the weekend though. That first observing the first flip, I'm gonna back test that this weekend, and then yeah, leave no room for, oh, does it happen? Does it not? Does it happen? Does it not? But I can't lie, just trailing price, I can probably reach that conclusion before the weekend. But let's get back onto thing now. Let's get back into here. So we have boom 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 boom. So look, the same thing here. I'm just looking at you. See Bryce breakout. We have flip. Essentially, I want to see this get ran. It doesn't have to though. You can create equals here. I guess the only thing that, yeah, so right now we're not in the zone to the left to be taking shorts. So that is probably the only fault in which I'm doing. So yeah, like I said, when I focus so much on the 5 second, I'd be really like, because obviously this is where I'm entering. So when it comes to my entry confirmation, oh, I can see that day, clear as day. But yeah, but that whole world can suck me in a pause. But that whole that can just delete the bigger picture from my mind. You feel me? It could just do all of that shit. But look, we just tapped into it here, and we just got the body closure. Look at this. We create another swing here. See a volatile pump. Boom, boom. We see it take them out. Let's see what go on here. We see this, we need a body closure above here to validate this low. So we got that. Am I looking at this shit right? We got that. Yeah, I am. Alright, cool. This high here is not part of structure, so you don't even consider that shit. Uh, that high here, you want to see your body closure above that. In fact, okay, cool. So this year, I definitely require more back testing because what if price? Oh, fuck it. Execute and learn, right? So you see that one loss that I took earlier? I think it was here. Where was it? Over here. So this was so the reason for this was probably because I should have waited for what price to tap into. Why am I on the 12 minute? Yeah, so wait for price to actually get into a higher time frame level above. So okay. But that's why you demo trade, right? When you don't know what the fuck you're doing. I'm not even gonna say it like that. But obviously when you're testing, when you're theorizing, when you have ideas that you don't know if they're valid or not, that's what these demo trades are for. Just place them. But best believe you know where you know where you're willing to put your money on. And for me, that's in these areas down here. But yo, London has just been trending up. Even Asia, yo, like price has just been going up. Like that's what? That's like a whole, what does that say? That's from like what, 70 to 200, bro. That's like $200 in that one within basically 2 sessions. We're approaching New York right now. I think. What time is it? 11:32. In New York's opening in about like 2 hours or so, three. But I can't lie. I think I'm gonna just end the stream here. Um, yeah, and then I'll come back to New York and trade. Yeah, actually trading now. I ain't finna just tape read. So yeah, man. I'll catch you guys in New York, man. Stay blessed. Don't blow your account, and